detail that they put into this boat ride.
Oh wow. They got an oil rig and everything.
Uh-huh.
It's a great view.
Yeah. Originally on Google Maps, this is the ride that shows up for this park, not that coaster.
Oh.
And for a good reason, because this is really cool. Oh, this is like landmarks of the Middle East. So this is Oman. That side says Oman. So maybe that part of the desert represents Oman?
And they have a falcon in the middle of the desert.
Mm-hmm. And those pigeons are not scared of that falcon.
What a great view.
Oh, yeah.
It's like the perfect recovery day post Falcon's flight. Though that Falcon doesn't seem to be doing much.
Yeah, I want to do that car ride if not possible, if it's open.
Do we still have credits?
We do. We have 240 left.
Nice. Oh wait, they've got Shark Bite.
Oh my gosh.
Shark Bite promotion.
Yes, find Shark Bite on Roblox.
Shark Bite 2 on Roblox. Play now.
Oh, look at these. Whoa.
I think this is the hottest I've felt the entire trip.
We got animatronics up ahead.
They look surprised to see us. Like,
Wait, there's people here?
people actually ride this thing?
But look at that model, my gosh. They have like the cable car running from the bottom to the top.
Oh, that's so cool.
And that's based off a real place, it looks like. It's El Habla Cable Cars. That looks like a cool place.
Assalamualaikum.
Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon.
I thought the coaster in this would cost more credits, but no, it's surprisingly cheap for everything here. Al Hada Highway. Wow.
Look at the render for this place.
Oh my gosh. They got an SLC?
They
Oh.
make it look like Six Flags.
They totally do.
Like a catfish of theme parks.
I could honestly see myself doing this boat ride twice.
It's really relaxing.
Mm-hmm.
Soaking up the sun as well for the first time since the trip started.
Mm-hmm. Actually feeling warm.
And it's so quiet as well because no one comes out until 4 p.m.
That's the best part, I think. I love that they had to run all the empty boats because otherwise we'd be stuck.
Oh, did you just jinx it?
Maybe I did. Oh no, there it goes.
Okay.
Yep.
I thought it was stuck.
I think these boats, they literally lift them up over that ledge to get them in.
They look heavy.
'Cause I don't see any other way they'd get them in. Oh, actually, this might move, maybe? Yeah, it has to.
Yeah, that's one guy.
I see it.
Yeah, 'cause it has wheels on the side as well. Oh. Incoming. Brace yourself.
Oh. All right, that was